Helo, Dawn Docs dwi, Prif Swyddog Tân yn Gogledd Cymru. I am Dawn Docs, the Chief Fire Officer of North Wales Fire and Rescue Service. I can't say how pleased I am to be returning to North Wales, particularly in this role, as I spent many years serving as the Deputy Chief Fire Officer here. I know it's been a very difficult year for many people, and I feel particularly fortunate to be returning at this point in time to a fantastic organisation. And I look forward to working with staff and crews and all our partners in the next chapter for North Wales Fire and Rescue Service. Partnership working is so important. I think it's key to our success that we are part of the communities that we serve. I'm very privileged to be rejoining people who I know are so dedicated to their roles and are particularly proud in what they do to contribute to keeping the people of North Wales safe.